What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. We are doing a series how to vet a woman and this is part 7. Today we're going to talk about intimacy. Let's get straight to it. Does your girl normally or always hug you, kiss you? Is she sometimes initiating sex, or are you always the one going for it? Or are you always the one who's hugging her, kissing her, getting her gifts? Are you the one always making the move? If that is usually or always the case, then this is a huge red flag. See, uh, women, when they really like a man, they aren't inhibited by with their expressions of physical attraction. She will show you by her actions that she's really physically attracted to you, that she loves you. A little caveat at this point. When a woman wants to secure your commitment, or she knows that she's about to get dumped, or these are the two main cases, she can even fake being interested in you, but that usually can only last up to 6 months. Nobody can fake, especially women, they cannot fake something forever. This is one of the reasons why it is recommended that you date a woman at least for 6 months, very least for 6 months, ideally for 1.5 year, 18 months before you give her any kind of commitment, meaning before you even make her your girlfriend. Getting back to the main thing, intimacy. You have to be cognizant of the this aspect, especially if it's your first relationship or if it's the honeymoon phase of the relationship. Everything is going well then. For guys who are in their first relationship, they are not ever looking for anything, any red flags, let alone huge red flags or one particular thing. They are not, aware of anything. And that is why later guys will go, how did I not see this coming? Why didn't I see that? Oh, yes, that is the point. That was the reason, one of the reasons. This is why I'm saying keep an eye, or be aware of this. If you are the one who's almost always initiating physical or sexual contact or expressions of love, be it gifts or remembering anniversaries, or trying to carry the relationship, as in you're the one always making jokes, you're the one always making plans, you're the one always planning outings or anniversaries, whatever be the case. If you are the one who's putting in effort in general and making the first move in particular for physical intimacy, then it means the girl really isn't interested in you. See, this brings us to the second important aspect. Girls have two kinds of sex: one, validational sex, and two, transactional sex. See, validational sex is when the girl really, really likes a guy, that having sex with him will validate her. It will make her feel better about herself. Oh my god, yes, he wanted to have sex with me. Oh my god, I must be so pretty. He thinks I'm hot enough to sleep with. Oh my god. This is validational sex. I mean, this is how girls see it. Next, the second part, the second kind is transactional sex. This is the kind of sex, plainly, directly speaking, girls have in exchange for something, because of some reason other than validation. It can be in, for example, prostitution. She's having sex just for money. That is the most clear-cut case. But usually for most guys, it is because, let's say your wife is having sex with you just because you two are married, that she needs to, and that too sometimes. Or even if it's your girlfriend, this is where guys get confused. How can she be my girlfriend and still be having transactional sex with me? Guys, girls can fake entire relationships. I know this sounds shocking and unbelievable, incredible, but it is true. uh, a girl can be in a relationship with you to be in a relationship with anyone. She just chose you, but you because you are the idiot. She could fool into believing that she loves you. But if you pay attention and she's not ever usually hugging you or kissing you or initiating sex, then any sex that she is having with you, whenever she does it, is transactional. She's only having sex with you for maintenance purposes, so that the relationship will carry on, that you don't think that is something wrong, there's something wrong with the relationship, that you don't move on to another woman, that she can stay in that formal relationship with you, even if it is just a girlfriend boyfriend relationship. She keeps getting that emotional energy from you, that she keeps getting your attention, because the guy she really wants, the guy she'll have validational sex with, he is not giving her any attention, let alone the relationship that she is in with you. I hope this concept is clear. Validational sex, transactional sex. I think it is obvious at this point that guys, my guys, you guys watching the video should always have sex only when the girl is having validational sex, meaning she's really attracted to you. Never, never, or at least avoid having transactional sex. This is the kind of sex that gets me too. That later women claim that I wasn't in the mood, and they say that he forced himself upon me. And marital rape is a real thing, guys. I mean, it's legally punishable. So just be very careful, especially those guys who are married, right? You are assuming that your wife is having sex with you because she loves you. Make sure of that. Three things, the three demarkators I told you. Does she hug you on her own? Does she kiss you on her own? Does she show have physical just touching each other, going about the house, going about your work? Does she put her hand on your back, or on your shoulder? Or does she caressing touches, whatever, they show expressions of love that people in love do with each other. And the third demarcator is, does she initiate sex? If not, as 50-50 ratio, it should be at least 3 or 4 out of 10 times with you, right? If it's you initiating sex or hugs or kisses or physical touches of intimacy 9 out of 10 times, you are in trouble, my friend. She is not really attracted to you. Maybe she was at the beginning of the relationship, and I won't be surprised even if that wasn't the case, that she's never been attracted to you. Like I told you, women fake entire relationships just to be in a relationship, so that they can get a guy's emotional energy and attention for free. They will have maintenance sex with you, just to maintain the relationship. Keep these things in mind, guys. Does she initiate sex with you? Does she show you physical intimacy? Does she touch you? Does she hug and kiss you on her own, without being told to, without being pointed out that you don't initiate sex, that you don't hug or kiss me, right? Just beware, be cognizant of this fact, so that you don't get played. That's it for this part, guys. See you in the next video. As always, like, comment, subscribe, share the video. See you in part 8.